how to update Microsoft Office app to the latest version. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily update Microsoft Office apps to their latest version. So I'll show you with the Microsoft Word. So let's dive right in. Open up the MS Word. You can do it with Excel, PowerPoint, anything of your choice. You need to head over to File in the top left. Now head over to Account at the bottom, and then you will see update options right there. Tap on it, and then you can see update now. You just need to tap on it and then it will check and apply updates. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.